Every year, thousands of new producers ask the same question. Can a free DAW really be professional? You've seen the ads, the plugins, the endless options, but what actually works in 2025? Today, I'll give you an honest answer. CPU benchmarks, workflow stress tests, and sound quality analysis. No hype, no bias, just the truth about what you can actually produce with a free DAW. Let's begin. 1. GarageBand. Mac OS. The simple beast. People still underestimate GarageBand. But the 2025 version is no longer the baby Logic, it's practically its twin. Yes, the interface looks simple, but under the hood, it's running the same Logic audio engine. Delay compensation, 64-bit float processing, smart controls, it's all there. Pros: near zero latency on Apple Silicon. Built-in plugins are still insanely good for a free DAW. Projects export directly to Logic format. The new mastering assistant automatically adjusts LUFS targets. Cons: macOS only. No VST support, AU plugins only. Routing is limited. GarageBand may look like a beginner's tool, but with a good ear and patience, it can deliver commercial quality results. Target users: macOS producers, vocal recordists, quick idea sketchers. 2. Waveform free. Tracktion. The free Reaper. Waveform free's philosophy is simple. Nothing is restricted. Unlimited tracks, full VST3, AU, LV2 support. Clip automation. Everything's unlocked. Pros: CPU-friendly engine, flexible plugin routing with sidechain and mid-side support. The 2025 update adds a clip launcher. Built-in sampler and synths are genuinely usable. Cons: the UI takes time to get used to. Occasional visual bugs with some third-party plugins. Waveform Free is the DAW that broke the concept of free but limited. It's fully functional, just minimal. Target users: sound designers, minimalist producers, CPU-conscious creators. 3. BandLab. Browser. Logic in your browser. BandLab isn't just a DAW, it's an ecosystem. Cloud-based, fully online, and now with virtually no latency. Pros: real-time monitoring inside your browser. Perfect cloud sync, no file loss. Collaboration mode lets multiple users work on the same session. Start a loop on your phone, finish it on your desktop. Cons: no plugin hosting, no offline access. With its 2025 update, BandLab basically started the browser-based production era. Not for final mixes, but perfect for fast idea generation. Target users: mobile producers, collaborators, idea-driven creators. 4. MPC Beats. Akai, the beatmaker's playground. MPC Beats brings Akai's legendary groove engine to your computer, and it's completely free. That classic MPC feel when writing rhythms? It's all here. Pros: 8-pad banks, piano roll, step sequencer. Includes Akai's built-in sound libraries. Groove quantize feels organic and alive. MIDI mapping is perfect. Cons: weak linear arrangement. Limited audio recording features. If you're a beatmaker, MPC Beats is the DAW that pushes you to create. Target users: pad players, hip-hop producers, and those who love fast tactile workflows. 5. Cakewalk by BandLab. Windows, the free Pro Tools. Cakewalk has been underrated for years, but it's still absolutely professional. Pros: 64-bit double precision mix engine, plug-in delay compensation, automation lanes, sidechain routing, ARA2 integration for Melodyne, full VST3 and rewire support. WAV, MP3, FLAC, OMF, export options. Cons: Windows only. The interface feels dated. Under the hood, this is the same Sonar Platinum engine, fully compatible with professional studio chains. Target users: advanced producers, engineers, and post-production users. 6. Reaper 60-day trial but practically free. The minimalist monster. Reaper is just 20 megabytes and launches in under 3 seconds. yet its infrastructure is massive. Pros: ultra stable and light on CPU. Fully scriptable, you can customize everything. Unmatched routing flexibility. Custom skins, toolbars, macros all editable. Frequent, lightweight updates. Cons: no instruments out of the box. Interface isn't inspiring. Reaper is like Lego for professionals. It can be anything you want it to be. And yes, it says 60-day trial, but nobody stops you on day 61. Bonus: LMMS, open source. LMMS is still alive and still Linux's pride. It's FL Studio inspired, limited in VST, 2 support but strong on MIDI composition. Target users: open source enthusiasts and Linux musicians. Conclusion: no more excuses. Free DAWs are no longer demo versions. In 2025, GarageBand is professional. Waveform free is limitless. Cakewalk is a studio-grade platform. MPC Beats is a beatmaker's dream. Reaper is the hacker's DAW. And BandLab is changing how we collaborate. If you're still asking, which DAW should I start with? Here's the answer. Start with all of them. Because at the end of the day, it's not about the DAW, it's about your ears, your taste, your discipline. Each of these can make commercial level music, and they're all free. So the "I don't have money" excuse? That's gone. 2025 is the year of the producer. Just sit down and start.